In the next video, you'll see how professionals are doing the perfect makeup and how you can do it by yourself at home.
Clean eyebrow thoroughly, and apply skin protection cream, such as Vaseline on surface of the skin that around and under the eyebrow. It could form a coating to protect the skin from the lift and tint lotion. Apply the glue on the eyebrows, and comb it in a good direction, with a masker's brush. Apply the Libeauty Lift Lotion No. 1 on the eyebrow. The lifting time for thin brow is 8 minutes, for thick brow is 10 minutes. Remove the Libeauty Lift Lotion No. 1, and apply the Libeauty Setting Lotion No. 2. The setting time for thin brow is 8 minutes, for thick brow is 10 minutes. Remove the Libeauty Setting Lotion No. 2 with a cotton bud, then use dampened cotton with cold water to remove the product until no residue. Apply Vaseline on the surface of the skin that around and under the eyebrow again. Mix the tint color with oxidant cream in a cup. Apply the mixed tint cream to eyebrow, from base to tip. Make sure that eyebrow hair is completed covered with the tint cream, but do not press the color into the skin. After approximately 10 minutes, carefully remove the mixed tint cream by cotton bud or cotton pads. Wipe all lotion with a cotton bud gently, then use dampened cotton with cold water to remove the rest residue. Hold tissue near our area to capture any excess water. Apply Libeauty Keratin No. 3 to lift and treat the brows. It creates a glossy look for your clients.
Thanks for watching. I hope you can now see the value of our new product. Please click the link below for more information.